Place the bed next to the desired wall. Find and mark 2 studs. Remove the top cap from the bed. Use the L bracket, 3-inch silver wood screws, and 1-inch black screws to attach the bed to the studs as demonstrated. Now that the bed is attached to the wall, you can place the top cap back on and open the bed. Use the provided Allen wrench to remove the hex bolts and attach the mattress straps. Place the buckle on the headboard side. Place the gray plastic ends on the wooden slats, and then connect them to the bed frame in the corresponding holes. Two gray covers are provided to go over the hardware and gaskets on the sides of the bed. A small clear bag has screws to attach the covers. Now you can place your 8 to 9-inch mattress on the bed. For the final step, attach the top cap using 2 gold 1 3/4-inch screws. You will drive them up through the top of the bed's cabinet into the top cap using the pre-drilled holes.